Today, we're diving into a topic that is near and dear to all of us as we age, reversing sarcopenia naturally. You probably already know about the usual suspects: protein, exercise, and enough sleep. But did you know that certain fruits can also play a significant role? It's true. Nature has some powerful solutions. We've hand-selected the top 5 fruits that will help you rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60. From boosting your body's own human growth hormone levels to providing essential nutrients, these fruits aren't just delicious. They're your secret weapons in the fight against age-related muscle loss. So let's get started. Number 5 on our list is soursop. This fruit might be new to some of you, but trust me, it's worth getting to know. Soursop is a tropical fruit with a creamy texture and a sweet taste reminiscent of vanilla ice cream. But its real claim to fame is its anti-cancer properties. Studies like the one published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that soursop leaves and stems contain a compound called tryptophan. This compound boosts serotonin levels in your brain. Serotonin is often referred to as the happiness hormone, but it does so much more. In fact, it plays a vital role in maintaining muscle mass and strength. Another study printed in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that L-tryptophan can boost IGF-1 levels. IGF-1, or insulin-like growth factor 1, is a hormone that plays a significant role in muscle growth and repair. So how can you enjoy this superfood? Soursop is best enjoyed as a smoothie or shake because it has a soft, water-soluble pulp. You can simply blend it with your favorite milk or yogurt. If you prefer something more solid, ripe soursop can be scooped directly from the skin and eaten with a spoon. Next up at No. 4 is limes and lemons. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses and are well known for their high vitamin C content. But that's not all they bring to the table. They're also packed with flavonoids, which are antioxidants that have been shown to improve muscle recovery and reduce muscle damage. A study published in the International Journal of Sports Medicine found that participants who consumed lemon juice before exercise experienced reduced muscle damage and faster recovery. Not only that, but limes and lemons can also help with hydration, thanks to their high citrate content. Citrate is a natural diuretic, meaning it increases urine production. However, instead of dehydrating you, it actually helps flush out toxins from your body, leaving you better hydrated. This is crucial as dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue. So how should you incorporate them into your daily routine? Well, you can start by adding lime to your coconuts or lemon to your tea. If you're feeling adventurous, try making a refreshing electrolyte drink with lime or lemon juice, coconut water, and a pinch of salt. Our third spot belongs to wild blueberries, as they are packed with anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that has been shown to improve muscle strength and reduce inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that anthocyanins from blueberries can increase muscle strength and reduce oxidative stress in rats. Anthocyanins are also thought to play a role in improving blood flow to the muscles, which can enhance both muscle growth and athletic performance. But don't just stop at blueberries. The wild variety is loaded with over 10 times the antioxidants of cultivated blueberries. This means you're getting a more potent dose of these beneficial compounds. And here's a bonus. Wild blueberries are also rich in fiber and vitamin C, which supports collagen synthesis, wound healing, and immune health. When it comes to incorporating wild blueberries into your diet, the options are endless. Enjoy them fresh if in season, frozen, or dried. They're delicious on top of oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even salads. And if you're feeling creative, try blending them into a delicious jam or topping your pancakes with blueberry syrup. As we approach the second place on our list, we come across noni, or vomit fruit. Now, this fruit gets its name from its strong odor, but trust me, its benefits far outweigh any olfactory offense. Noni is a tropical fruit that grows in clusters on trees. It has a rough, uneven outer surface that gives way to a white, creamy flesh. Once you cut through the seed, the flesh turns a deep purple, hence the nickname vomit fruit. But don't let that put you off. Noni is packed with essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that noni powder significantly increased the levels of IGF-1 in human muscle cells. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, calcium, and iron. So how can you add noni to your diet? If you're lucky enough to find noni in your local Asian market, you can eat it fresh. The taste resembles a strong blue cheese with some pharmaceutical notes. For those who can't stomach the raw version, noni is also available in capsules or as a powder that can be added to smoothies or other dishes. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the no. One fruit that can help rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60 is none other than mango. Yes, you heard right. This juicy, sweet fruit is more than just delicious. It's a powerhouse when it comes to fighting sarcopenia. What makes mango so special? It's all about mangiferin, a natural compound found in abundance in mangoes. Mangiferin has been shown to improve muscle strength and reduce oxidative stress in muscles. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that mangiferin significantly improved muscle strength and endurance in mice. It's also been shown to promote muscle growth and reduce muscle damage. But that's not all. Mangoes are also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, B6, and K, as well as dietary fiber and potassium. Together, these nutrients contribute to overall muscle health and performance. And let's not forget about the gut microbiome. A healthy gut leads to better nutrient absorption, and better nutrient absorption means stronger muscles. Mangoes are prebiotic-rich foods, meaning they provide nourishment for the friendly bacteria in your gut. These bacteria, in turn, aid in synthesizing vital compounds that support muscle growth and strength. In fact, a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that prebiotic-rich foods, like mangoes, enhance the training-induced increase in lean body mass in young men. So how should you enjoy this superfood? Eat fresh, ripe mangoes regularly. You can also opt for dried or frozen mangoes if fresh ones aren't in season. Blend them into smoothies, dice them over your cereal, or use them as a delicious topping for yogurt. That's a wrap on the top 5 fruits that rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60. Remember, nature has incredible solutions for our health challenges. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your journey towards better muscle health. And don't forget, you're awesome and your body deserves the best. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and embrace the power of nature.